Okay, welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm here today with another RPG hair video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm going to slay this wig that I have. I'm so excited because it's the first time I'm getting a wig. Like, it doesn't even matter about the texture, just getting a wig overall this length. This is the pre-plucked 4.5 inches parting lace front wig, natural curly, and it's 180% in density. So right now I know it looks pretty crazy. It's straight out of the package, and I'm so excited to go ahead and style this. It's Indian, it's 100% Indian hair, and it is natural curly. It's 8 inches long, and it's a 1B color, a normal pre-plucked hairline. As you can see, that's how it looks, but you know I'm gonna go in and customize that some more. The lace color is brown and the cap size is medium. Most of my cap size, when I get them from RPG Hair, if you're wondering, they're medium. So definitely the specific link to this wig will be in my description box. It will be on my customized page on rpghair.com. Go ahead, support your girl. You know, don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-SUE. I feel like this is so convenient. You want to look slayed, you want those juicy curls, but you don't want anything too long. You know, this is perfect. But I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I'm super excited, so let's jump into that portion right now. So I always start off with plucking the left side of the wig because I love to flip my hair over on the right, meaning, you know, on this side, you know. So I'm gonna start with plucking this area. I pluck the entire hairline, by the way, but I like to just start here. I'm gonna get my bottle of water to just, you know, spritz the hairline. This is the first, you guys have seen me, like, you know, do the hairline, pluck the hairline of my wigs all the time. This is nothing new, and I definitely want to do a wet look with this wig.
Spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Then try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play.
As you can see, I'm all done with plucking the hairline, and it looks amazing. This is the cut, by the way. So I went ahead and got it wet. So now I just want to go ahead and add some mousse. Yes, before I apply it, I just wanted to prep it.
Is a man down, bad man, them see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life.
And this is the Smooth and Shine Fine Botanical Oils mousse. I really just use any brand. Soft Sheen Carson is my favorite, but I don't always get that one when I go to the store. So I just use what I get at any point in time. But if I had to choose like a mousse or a brand, specific brand, I definitely go with Soft Sheen Carson, because I don't know, for some reason it makes my wet look last longer, but mousse overall helps to maintain that wet look.
Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man,
Ensure that everything fits, and if it's too like long, like across my edges, then I'll cut off the excess, meaning like the ear portion. Sometimes the ear portion don't fit. Like, but today this is actually fitting, so good. I always lay one side at a time. And as usual, they send my edges brush, which is so convenient. I love this brush. Comes in the packages all the time, like since recently. So this is what I use. looking just like my scalp. Guys, if you didn't see my detailed video the other day on how to lay your lace like a pro, make it look super melty, then I'm gonna put it in the description box so you can check it out. And the sideburn, the whole sideburn finessing like what I'm doing right now, it's totally optional. You know, not everybody is, you know, necessarily, it's not necessarily everybody's thing or everybody's style, and that's fine. So I mean, if you don't want to do this whole sideburn portion, definitely skip it out. My hair, duh, that is just gorgeous. That is just life. That is life.
Man, I tell him it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play.
That is gorgeous, guys.
If you test me, man, down. Original bad man, me around town. Then try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it.
Done. This is how it looks. The hair is dry right now, as I told you. The mousse really helps with that wet look, and I really love how everything came together. It's different for me because I've never got a short curly wig like as short as this before. You guys know I always get them bobs and stuff, which this is, as I said, it's still a bob. In the title you see where it says it's a bob, but it's really nice. I feel like it's really nice for the summertime, especially if you can't deal with all the hair on your shoulder or down your backy, because you know it might be miserable and very hot sometimes. I feel like this is a very convenient wig, you know, like it's very convenient. It's really nice. Yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, that's how it is. That's how it's looking. I did this makeup look in a video, by the way, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I don't believe it's live as yet, but if it's live, the link will be down below in my description box. Again, if you guys are interested in this wig, the direct link to purchase it will be in my description box, so check that out. Don't forget to use my code SUE15 and PETITE10 for dollars off. And yeah, that's it for now. So let me know if you guys liked it. Give it a thumb up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe because your girl is uploading frequently, and check out my vlog channel for my daily lifestyle videos. So that's it for today. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.